crew to save the day.
Welcome to Mighty House. This is a show for people with problems, home improvement problems that is, and for people who want common sense guidance on how to build green and live a more sustainable lifestyle. Send an email. The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is Mighty House.
Okay, we're back with another quick one from Klein Tools. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, dingle on the bell. We've got something that they're calling ModBox, and this is pretty cool. This is like you can see they're coming out with a lot of different manufacturers are, but now this one, it clicks into the toolbox. You can see how that clicks in there, so it'll
Right,
go into
little
other
the
boxes.
peaks with the guides. Yep.
So it slides into place, and then you've got this mechanism on this side right here to unlock it. So this will click into the ones that have others. So this is your top box. And this top box is also a cooler.
17-quart cooler. Hold
17
24 cans of beer. It says 24 cans. What's in the cans up to you.
Right.
For 30 hours.
For
The trick's
30
keeping
hours?
them full for 30 hours, but cold's another.
Right. And then you can put, what'd you call this? The salami holder right here? Is that what you
Yeah, it's a place to hide it so nobody looks for your, that's where all the pepperoni goes.
There you go. And I was bouncing it on my keyboard, so there. So that goes in there, and then you lock it.
Yeah.
There you go.
That could be where an ice pack goes, but I'm just going to go with sandwich or salami.
Yeah, that's the salami holder. Klein Toolbox, ModBox, right there.
Yes, the ModBox cooler, that's about $80.
Right there. Oh, that's right. Let's read off that number. And this is just one piece of a whole system.
Right. A whole system. So you get the lower big box with the wheels and the cart and all that. And then you can put that on there. You can put your layered boxes with all your other tools.
That's right.
Very cool setup.
62204MB. So there you go. And maybe we can throw a ModBox picture of everything up there.
That's right.
And it's got a nice carrying strap here too. See, look at that.
Well, you go to Klein Tools website and you just go to the ModBox thing.
Right.
And it's pretty cool. All the accessories they developed for the ModBox, with not just with the cooler, but your toolboxes, tool bag. But then of course, they have to have the cooler, or not the cooler, but the speaker, the light, all the stuff that, you can attach on a number of different items.
Right.
All works on there. So you can build your own ModBox. Very cool system.
There you go. See if yours came in. Let's see which one you. Yep. You captured a different one.
Yeah, yours is, you got the side view. I got probably same photo shoot though.
Yeah, it looks like the same background.
Yeah, I was gonna say I could see the 4-inch with the 2-inch vent. And the guy's, I think that's right behind the guy on the other photo.
Yep. That's all the. And there you go. It's got to be the same one.
Yeah, they took the cooler off. And he's got the pipe bender in there.
Yeah. Let's see, that's that one. That's that one. Fish tape. That's a nice clean setup.
Oh yeah.
And the backpack fits on there, and then there's the cooler right there.
Yep.
Okay, stop the share. Okay, we're good.
Yes, sir.